Hi, in this video I want to show you how to export and import blocks. Basically, there are times where you want to export certain features, certain objects from one drawing and import them into another drawing, and writing blocks is the way you do it. So to begin, I'll draw a random, an arbitrary, just triangle, polygon, 6 sides, center point here, inscribe circle 5, and say a circle. So suppose my drawing consists of these 3 objects, and I want to export this triangle and hexagon and import it into another drawing. The way you do it, you write a block. So there's a command called WBLOCK. You specify a base point, you select your objects, and you give it a file name, a path. So say base point arbitrarily, let's just pick here. Select the objects you want to export, and then let's give it a path and a temp file. Let's give it a name, my block, and it writes the block. So now in another drawing, so let's just open a drawing for this example. It could be another drawing though, and you want to import that triangle and hexagon. You use a command called DDINSERT. You browse for the file, which in this case is in a temp folder called my block. The insertion point you could specify on the screen, the scale factor, rotation, and this by default sometimes is not exploded. I won't click explode, I'll show you what that is. So suppose I insert it here. Right now it's just a block. It's in a new drawing, and one entity, so you need to explode it. So it's a command called explode. You select the object, and now they're individual lines. This hexagon could be further exploded if you need it to. Just pick certain segments of the hexagon, and that's pretty much it. That's how you do it. We'll save this. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks.